you might not be able to see me, but this is the daycare that I help out at. Yeah.
You help out at.
And also talk with and also Sarah does, Taylor does, Kristen kinda does. And yes, we're in the nature right now. Nature! Yeah! I love nature. So, yeah, going back to my normal self. I am totally normal. So, yeah, this is great, isn't it? And my friends over there, they're just swinging a thing. Man, after... So, I will. So, I am not gonna do well with all these yelling, screaming, and doing all these voices. Okay, I'm a tiny little heart. Okay, guys. Okay.
Are you still videotaping?
Yeah, I'm still videoing.
Get the orange ball.
This is what? It's not. Here.
Get the orange ball.
Hey, I'll get the orange ball. I have to do everything. No, I'll just hold this. I'll go. Here, I'm going to get the ball. This is my life now.
It's the ball.
Please, can somebody else, please? Thanks. I need to take a video during this. Here, you can have your shoes.
Are you still videotaping?
Yeah, I'm still videotaping.
Are you videotaping you?
No. Okay. This is gonna be great.
Throw it at me first. Because I'm cool. Am I throwing it at you, Matt?
You can throw it at Sarah first.
Yes,
Okay.
Ready? What was that? Okay, Max's turn.
Okay. Try to not throw this at my iPad.
Max, I think you should do it because you can put your iPad on the chair. And then
Here, I'll videotape this. Here, guys, look. Now I'll go over here. Right now, we're in the wild. We're looking at the local wild Sarah and the wild Taylor. Oh, and also that little thing named Kristen. Oh, yeah. She is very ferocious. Do not mess with her. Hopefully, she cannot understand me. Okay, throw the ball.
ready?
Yes.
Throw it now.
It went into the pool. Great job, Sarah. Great job. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dogs unite. Dogs unite. Yeah, seriously. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Or you can also just comment down below and say, oh, well, you can say what I want. You can say what games you want me to play and stuff. Okay? Dogs unite.